This is a portable drill. This one has a cord you have to plug into an electrical supply. Cordless models use their own internal batteries. When you can't bring the work to the drill, you can take this drill to the work. But don't expect it to put large holes through very hard metal. The biggest drill bit that'll fit in the chuck here is usually marked on the body of the drill, along with the speeds at which it turns. There are usually 2 speeds, but some drills can be set to any speed within their range. A bench-mounted drill allows accurate drilling with more control, more so than a portable drill, which is convenient but can be difficult to guide accurately. A mounted drill can feed the drill bit at a controlled rate, and the work table secures the job at a constant angle to the drill bit. Also, this drill can be set to run at different drilling speeds. This drill chuck takes bits up to 13 millimeters in diameter. Drill bits come in many closely spaced sizes. The most common is the twist drill. It has a point and a body, usually with 2 spiral grooves. And its shank is gripped in the jaws of the drill chuck. A Morse taper is a system for securing drills. Morse taper size changes according to drill size. The shank of the drill bit is tapered, and it fits snugly into the drill spindle, which has a similar taper. This tang is also located in the spindle, and it drives the drill. It's a quick way to change drills without constantly adjusting the chuck. When there's already a hole drilled in sheet metal that needs enlarging, a multi-fluted tapered hole drill will do the job in about the same time it takes to say it. A drilling speed chart should be kept near the bench or pedestal drill. It compares drill sizes and metals to show the proper speed. So to drill a 10mm hole through this piece of aluminium, the drill speed should be 1,800 revs per minute.